Today I'm going to take the Grows Gold compost, spread about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch on my yard. I had it aerated last week, so the compost will sink in and provide great nutrients into the soil. I feel really good about the shape my lawn is in and where it's going. This year, when we had that period of drought, it didn't go dormant straight away. I had minimal watering and it was still able to stay green. I think that by doing this, I've been able to catch up with people that have in-ground irrigation, lawn services, and I just get a better turf quality. The amount of chemicals and stuff that washes off has been a big factor in my decision to do this, because with the clay, there was no absorption of water, and it would just, I'm sure all the fertilizer and pesticides would be washing into the prairie, which leads off into the water supply. Mine was approved for up to 50% of my expenses, and if it's something you do anyway and somebody can pick up 50% of the cost, it seemed like a no-brainer.
We moved into a brand new house, and we watered the sod a lot the first year and the second year, but I wasn't really happy with just watering and traditional fertilizers. So then when I read about soil quality restoration and some of the benefits, not just that it brings to soil quality, it really can kind of help that compost and some of the soil amendments you can provide can really absorb a lot of that water and contain and save that water in the ground rather than it running off or just evaporating. The next spring, our lawn was super green right off the bat. In our backyard, we had a lot of areas where it was pretty patchy, where we'd have a great bunch of grass and then a not so great spot of grass. So it really helped kind of alleviate some of those patches and really evened out the growth of the grass in the yard.